Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Rehbar Group of Institutions, Akola. Dear students, I am Tehseen Madam. Now I am going to explain the remaining part of lesson number 4, Current, Electricity and Magnetism of Standard 8th. Yes, our next point is lead acid cell. Figure 4.3 Figure 4.3 depicts the design of a lead acid cell. Let us examine its principle. This type of cell can be recharged after getting electrically discharged. The lead acid cell contains a lead electrode and a lead oxide electrode, and both are dipped in dilute sulfuric acid. PbO2, lead oxide, carries a positive charge. Yes, this is a diagram of lead acid cell. Here, two rods are dipped into H2SO4. One terminal is positive and the other terminal is negative. First, lead oxide PbO2, and negatively this is. In the center of the connection there is a voltmeter. Now, with the Pb electrode carries a negative charge, this potential difference between these two is nearly 2 volt. Because of the chemical reaction between the substances in the cell, electrical charge is produced on both the electrode and electric current flows through the load, for example, bulb in the circuit. This is the diagram of lead acid cell. This is the cell holder. This is the cell holder. These kind of electric cells have a capacity to deliver large current. Hence, lead acid cells are used in cars, trucks, motorcycles and uninterrupted power supplies. UPS, NiCd cell, nickel and cadmium cell. These days, a variety of gadgets are available which are required to be carried to different places. Such gadgets use nickel and cadmium cell. These cells deliver 1.2 volt potential difference and are rechargeable. Electric cell. When a cell holder, an electric bulb and a plug key are connected by connecting wires as shown in figure 4.4a. Then the bulb light up by closing the plug key. This means that a current flows through the current, bulb lights up. Yes, electric current. Electric current. When a cell holder, an electric bulb and a plug key are connected by connecting wires as shown in figure 4.4b. And a dry cell is fitted in the holder figure 4.4a. Like this, a holder with a key in 4.4a cell holder device. Then the bulb lights up by closing the plug key. This means that a current flows through a circuit and bulb lights up. On the removal of the cell, the electric current flowing through the circuit stops and indicated by the bulb which ceases to glow. This type of connection of electrical component is called an electric current. A current is shown in figure 4.4b. The cell is shown by the symbol plus or minus in the form of this symbol, and this is the figure of simple electric cell 4.4b, simple electric cell with plug key, electric bulb and cell. An electrical circuit is also used in the home supply. However, the electricity supply is made from outside. Instead of electric cells, you will learn about it later. Research. Lithium-ion cells are used in modern equipment, for example, smartphone, laptop, etc. These cells can be recharged. More electrical energy can be stored in this cell as compared to that in nickel and cadmium cells. Now our another point is connecting cell. Connecting cells. You must have seen more than one electric cell connected in an electrical circuit. See the figure 4.5a. In the transistor radio, 2 or 3 dry cells are seen to be connected in series. The purpose of doing this is to obtain more potential difference than that of simple cells. Therefore, it is possible to obtain higher current if the cells are connected as shown in figure 4.5b. The connection of cell is known as a battery of the cells. In this series connection, the positive terminal 1 of the cell is connected to the negative terminal of second cell, and the positive terminal of the second cell is connected to the negative terminal of the third one. Therefore, if each cell has potential difference of 1 volt, the total potential difference of 3 cells will be 3 volt. In this figure 4.5a electric circuit transistor of loading. Flow of the current here the positive terminals and here the negative terminals. 2 dry cells are connected in a series and there is a flow of electrons and the formation of electric current. This is 4.5b. 4 dry cells are connected each other. It is called the series connection or connecting series of the cells. Use your brain power. Connecting cell में you must have seen the car battery available in the market. It is called a battery and not a dry cell. Why? Next, use your brain power. Magnetic field of electric currents. Now here is the activity for you. Take the inside dry cell of an used off matchbox, place a small magnetic needle inside the tray. Now take a long connecting wire and wind it around the tray. Complete the electric circuit by connecting in it. This wire electrical cell, plug, key and bulb like figure 4.6. Here is a connection of matchbox and there is a magnetic needle inside the matchbox and one bulb is connected and the wires are joined with it. Magnetic effect of current. Make the position of the magnetic needle. Take a bar magnet near to the magnetic needle. What do you observe? Looking at the needles and close the plug key, the bulb will light up and you will realize that the current had started flowing. Does the magnetic needle change its position? Now open the plug key. Does the magnetic needle comes back to the original position? What will you conclude from this experiment? You know that a magnetic needle is indeed a magnet. You have seen that the magnetic needle changes its direction when a bar magnet is taken near the magnetic needle. Also, you have observed that the magnetic needle changes its direction when a current starts flowing in the circuit. This means that magnetic field is created when an electric current flows in a wire. Hence, Christian Oersted made this observation first. Briefly, we can say that when electric current passes through a wire, a magnetic field is produced around the wires. Okay, dear students, I hope you like our all videos of science. So, watch our all videos on Rehbar channel, like it, subscribe it and share to your friends. Okay, thank you.